Hello friends, I'm Manpreet Kaur. My student ID is 3038096 and I'm going to explain about week 3 lab work of ITech 5402 enterprise system. So the week 3 is SAP ERP fulfillment process. In this there are some tasks of lab work which I will explain. So the first one is display customer master data. For that, we need to click on maintain business partner from our home screen where we will open our SAP. So when we click over here, maintain business partner, we will get this screen similar to this. So here we need to put business partner at place of find and press F1. So after doing that, we will get the another screens. So all this task of this lab work will be done after reading instructions which are given over here. Like over here, this is written press the X or cross button in the bottom right corner of the screen in order to close the window. So when we will follow all these steps, definitely we will get the similar screens which we are finding. So after doing that work, we have to take a screenshot of that work. I have already done my all this lab work and taken screenshots. I will submit that separately. So here I am just wanted to explain how I have done my lab work. So when we will get this screen of business partner number, we need to click on these three dots. These are just on top right hand side. When we will click on this, we will get the next table or we can get the screen, and we have to click partner by customer number, which is already highlighted. We have to click over here as instructions and we will get the next screen like this, partner by customer number. So we have to follow all these instructions which are given here and definitely we will get. So like over here in our case, please enter the 3-digit number you were given by your instructor. This is the number which we have received as our user ID, so we have to put that number. In this way our screenshots will be also be different because we everyone will use their unique number. So like this we will click find or press enter. So just follow the instructions and do, and we will get definitely the same screens which are explained over here. Just follow these instructions like this. Over here, partner by customer number, so there will be screen like this. So the following screen will come up when we follow the above instructions, and over here title will be company name Bean Towns Bikes. So as given here, this screen display the general data of your customer Beantown bike. In the context of SAP system, this data implies all information about the customer. So in the drop down, we have to click menu, like here in the drop down menu display in the BP role, choose customer, because we want to get the information about customer. Like this we will get screen, and this table, from this table we have to click on customer. So actually there are so many screens, so I will be a little bit faster because I have to explain 23 slides and now I am just only on 9th. So next will be this screen after following instructions, and we all have to answer this question. This is a question is answered in my original work which I have done. And when we will done our like task 1, task 2, at the end we have to click on this home screen to get back to home and start our next task. So the next one is display customer number. So we will click over here in the home screen, manage sales order, but here it's 9, so it's not necessary that it will be 9 in our screen. it can be changed, but don't worry, just we have to click on manage sales order. And after that we will find this type of screen where we have to follow these instructions given here, and just follow the instructions and we will get the screen similar which are given over here. So all the instructions are given here, we have to click which is given. And also please read everything carefully and about dates where we have to put what, because I know it's 2020, but sometimes somewhere we have to put 2016 year. So just keep in mind all those things. So this screen shows that each bicycle cost 3000. So we can check price, everything will be over there. We can check price, gross value, discount amount, everything. So again click on home screen because the task 2 is done. The next one is task 3 which we have to follow as given. For that we have to click on outbound deliveries like this, and we will get the screen. The screen will be completely similar to this, and we have to click on ready to post GI after reading instructions and click on go. When we will click on go, the next screen will be like this. Again we have to follow instructions like the select the outbound delivery number 8000001. So we need to click this because this is the 8000001. Just click over here as given, and we will get this screen similar to this. So just follow all these screens. So again the next one is our task 4 of lab week 3. This is display billing document. For that we have to click display billing document VF03. Just keep in mind we have to click on VF03. It can be different display billing document, but we need to click on display billing document VF03. So then we have to enter 9000001 as billing document. So and then watch the billing document for sales order and click continue or enter. So we can click on continue, which will be at the bottom of the screen in right hand side, or just simply and click enter from your keyboard and just follow these steps and our task will be done definitely as per given. So this is task 5, analyze document flow. For that we need to click material document overview and select stock decrease for stock change, and we need to enter M100 for plant, as there will be screen like this. There we need to enter M100 for plant, like over here under plant we need to put M100, and 2016 for material document year. So we need to put year 2016 under material document year, and DXTR 1998 for material. So we will put same like this, DXTR 1998 for material, and compare your screen. So definitely we will get same screen. After putting all these things we need to click on go. That will be in the bottom of our screen, or sometimes it will be in the middle because there can be some other data in down. So click on this icon to come to a document overview page. So we need to click this type of icon like this, which will be here, and we will get. So this is done for today. The week 3 lab work is done. Again click over here home screen and our week 3 lab is done. Thank you for listening. Thanks.